right, so we're not going to go through this entire question because it's very similar to what we've been doing before, but there was just one thing that I wanted to mention about this question. In part C here, when they say the rate at which the profit is changing, remember that the derivative P prime is the instantaneous rate of change. So this part C question is really just asking you to find the derivative of the profit function, and then of course plug in the 75 units after you find that derivative. So everything else is going to be very straightforward. For part A, profit at 75 is just plugging in profit 75 into the profit function. Average profit function as a function of x. Just keep in mind that they do want this as a function of x, so you're not plugging in a value. So just really quickly for that, you will take your profit function, divide by x. So that is a 3.25x squared divide by x, and then a 2275x divide by x, and then a 7500 divide by x. Now, before plugging in this into your answer, I would simplify first. So this x squared divided by x will just give us an x. So 3.25x plus, and then these x's cross out, so just 2275, and then minus the 7500 over x. So that would be your average profit as a function of x, and this is what you would type in for the answer. Also in part D, just really quickly, when it says to maximize profit, you are trying to maximize the profit function. So because of that, you will take the profit function's derivative, set it equal to 0, and then draw your derivative number line and test a point to the left and to the right. And then when it says what is the maximum profit, you will just plug whatever number you get here for part D into the profit function.